guys, welcome back to another video. I'm about to peel off these nails because we need to film another video. If you haven't already seen this set, it is up on my channel along with the cleaning of my nail desk video because we did a Sunday reset. So I'm just coming in to the front bit because for one, it's absolutely freezing in there. In here it is much better, so that is what we're doing. So I'm deciding to peel these off because I did do a peel off base under them, and then I want to use the nail inks because if I'm honest, I haven't used them for a long time. I feel like they're trending again and they are coming back around, and they also look freaking bomb. Like, you cannot go wrong with the nail inks. Let me show you the ones that I'm talking about. So we have so many different colours available in them. Oh, look at that. The one that I picked up first was the violet, which is, of course, our purple ink. But yeah, I want to do a full set of that. So I'm probably going to film it later on because I've got to go out. I've got a meeting this afternoon. I want to get sat at the desk, get these peeled off, and then we can jump straight in and do the nails. Oh, I forgot about that. This chair, it's a brand new chair. We got it from, oh, where did we get it from? I think Ellison's, but it's broke. Like, the suspension thing on it just doesn't work at all. Super duper annoying. But yeah, we'll figure that out. Right, what am I going to use? I think tweezers is going to be good. Okay, so like I said, these are the nails that I have currently got on. I did do the video, so if you want to watch it, it should already be up on my channel. You can go ahead and see that, see my little Sunday reset. But I'm just going to come in with, these are the ones that I've just used for literally, I don't even know what. But my Nailmate tweezers, they are so pretty. I don't know how easy it's going to be. Oh, yeah. Not easy. Oh, yeah. I got it. Oh, wow. This is so satisfying, guys. Oh, my God. It's like trying to get a bit that you need, you know, to lift it. I'm going to soak off. Oh, it is windy outside. I'm going to soak off the acrylic, I think, and do a long set. I'll tell you. Oh. So windy outside. I think you can hear the door. I can hear it, so I'm sure the microphone's picking it up. I'm so ready for summer. Okay, let's do this one. This is the most delicious pasta ball ever, and I'm going to devour it. It's scrumdiddlyumptious, isn't it, darling?
Have you got any chicken?
Chicken? Have you got chicken? I don't know. I've not got to the bottom yet. No? Did they forget the chicken?
What's up?
You going back? Nah, just collect mine. Surely.
What?
Just collect it.
No, because I'll have to.
Okay. Yeah, form that it's not there. I was just about to devour the salad, but there is no chicken, so he's got to go back. Get the chicken in. That's fine. Not a problem. I'm not going to be late for my meeting. Okay, this is a funny angle, isn't it? So my whole vibes for the set with the marble inks is going to be like natural precious stones. I'm excited. Hopefully you're sticking around. Hopefully you're still here at this point in the video. If you are, that is a miracle. Like literally. I feel like shorts are the way forward, but if I'm honest, I love long form content. I love creating it and I love connecting with you guys more. So whatever I can do to make that better and to help you guys enjoy my content more, please let me know in the comments. Like, I've got a lot planned for 2026 and I'm so excited for it. But if there's anything that you want to see from me as well, I can absolutely do that. Hey guys, okay, we are back. Let's get these lights switched on. I'm being blinded right now. So I have quite a few different ones, of course, from my website. All of them are restocked as well, so if you wanted to grab any, you absolutely can. But I think I'm going to go with, am I going to do that? Maroon, beige, white, and probably the blend it too. Some of these colours do need like shaking up as well. So maroon is kind of like a real, can you see it, like a winey, reddy colour. But you give it a shake up, it's got like the pigment in the bottom, which is going to make it more creamy. Gotta give it a real good shake. Okay, there we have it. Maroon. Jet black is just a pure black. Then we have beige. Again, it's got like this browny, tanny, khaki kind of vibe, but you need to shake up that pigment to give it like its true beige colour. Okay, there we have it. A nice creamy beige. I might not do the maroon actually. I might do them like separately. We'll see, we'll see. We've got the blending fluid, which of course is just purely for blending out the inks, and then the white, because I wanna like disperse the white between the colours to give like a natural marble. So let me get my peel off base on these, then we will go ahead and do a cute little marble set. Gonna go straight over with our peel off base, and then we can get in with a fresh set. I have not got the patience to wait for this to dry. So instead of using the maroon colour, it's going to be sienna with beige. We're going to use super matte as the base, so let's come in with that. And I do like to use the super matte as the base for my inks, just because it gives me a really nice, basically, base to work on. It lets the inks flow and it just is easier. Use the lamp. I'm gonna do 60 seconds. Going to do the rest and then we can start with the inks. When doing inks, it's always a good idea to get them open because they can dry really quick. So you want to work quite fast when applying them. So all the colours that you're going to be using, get them ready, you know, get them set out, good to go. The white does need shaking quite a few times, or should I say like more often. It settles quicker because it's such a dense pigment. I wanted to make sure the white ink was pigmented, like you can do it over black and still see it. Okay, so we've got a bit of, look at that, that one's stunning. Gorgeous. I think like my black there. And then I'm just going to do my blending fluid for the moment. Disperse that as the first layer. Make sure I've got like all the areas covered. I'm going to come in with the second layer, so the same colours again, but we'll kind of like layering them over. So I'm just going to use the blend it more localised this time. So instead of just putting it all over to spread out, I'm just going to dot it in certain areas, which is just going to kind of create these like orb looking shapes. It kind of moves the ink, but creates a border at the same time. I've done all of them. I'm feeling like this one, I don't want the white, so I'm just going to dab over that beige. This is how the nails are currently looking. I've got the inks applied and I'm happy with like how they are sitting on the nails, how the vibe is looking. I wish I didn't put the white on this one, but it's fine. I'm going to carry on anyway. This is my ultimate fave, rose gold foil 10-piece. I might go with either a copper, a metallic copper, and like one of the dull coppers, like the dull rose gold, randomly on the nail. So I'm going to use the Foil Mate to do that because the Foil Mate is absolutely banging. And then once I've got the foil on, we might add some more details, we'll see. So just a nice thin layer of that foil gel. Oh, look at that ink with the top. Well, it's not a top coat, but look at it. It brings it to life, ladies and gentlemen. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. I'm going to flash cure these. Well, I'm going to cure these in between for a little bit, just so they don't like end up running everywhere. So I'm just going to use the prettiest scissors in the land. Try not to. I should have cut this before, you know. Try not to get it stuck to my nails. Like this, can you see? We don't want too much. We just want a little bit. You're going to kind of just catch it in the light. View. Ooh, that is bomb. Oh, she's looking fine. Is it going to be too light? I'm just going to do it in a few. Oh, yeah, nice. The vision is visioning. Time to come in with super gloss. We're going to seal everything in. But how adorable is that? Seriously. I am living for this look. So this is the final look. I'm just going to add my cuticle oil. Look at them, how bloody stunning. Oh. Okay guys, so that is the final look. I hope you've enjoyed watching. This set turned out so freaking cute. I'm obsessed with it. probably going to wear it for a few days. I thought I would be popping it straight off. I said to you earlier, I'm going to be soaking it straight off. Not today, ladies and gentlemen. We are keeping that on for a few days. I'm probably just going to film on this hand and my silicone practice fingers because I love it. I love it too much. As always, please remember that you are bomb.com, lit as fuck, and don't ever let anybody tell you any different because you've got this and I love you. Mwah. Bye.